In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in CapCut without losing quality. If you often edit videos on your computer, this is an important feature to understand because it helps you work more comfortably without worrying about damaging your footage or reducing clarity. When using CapCut on a PC, it is essential to first understand how zooming actually works inside the editing preview. The zoom function in the preview window is only meant to improve your editing experience. It does not change the actual resolution of your video, and it does not affect the final exported file. Many beginners assume that zooming in automatically makes a video blurry, but that misunderstanding only applies when you are scaling the actual video layer, not the preview display. To zoom into your preview screen, open your project and focus on the area where your video is displayed. Once you are there, use your keyboard and mouse together for smooth control. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, and while holding it, scroll your mouse wheel upward. This will increase the preview zoom level, allowing you to inspect details more closely. If you need to zoom back out, simply scroll the mouse wheel downward while still holding the Control key. This method is fast and very precise, especially when you need to adjust or check small elements in your timeline. Another way to control preview zoom in CapCut for PC is by using the zoom slider located near the preview window. By dragging this slider, you can gradually increase or decrease the size of your preview display. This option is helpful if you prefer a more controlled and visual adjustment instead of using keyboard shortcuts. It is also important to understand that preview zoom does not compress your video or reduce its quality in any way. It only changes how large the video appears on your screen while you are editing. Your original footage remains completely unchanged, no matter how much you zoom in or out in the preview. However, if you are resizing the actual video on the timeline using scale or transform settings, that is where quality can be affected. To prevent any loss of clarity, always make sure your original footage is high resolution, such as 1080p or 4K, and avoid enlarging it too much beyond its natural size. In summary, using Control with your mouse wheel or the zoom slider in CapCut PC is completely safe for preview zooming and will not affect your video quality. It simply helps you edit with more precision and ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.